Hey guys, welcome back. Here we go. 2021 Avalanche 338 CK. Now we're going luxury. This 6-point hydraulic leveling system will do everything you need it and more. Your front cap is automotive painted. Side laminated walls. The rear wall is also double insulated. This beauty is double awnings, LED lights under both awnings, massive pass-through storage. It's got the solid steps. It also has an outside kitchen with light. Beautiful unit, folks. Frameless windows. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish we had 10 of these units. We don't. We have one right now. Several on order for customers. Every time they come in, they're gone. But we do have our hands on this one. And I'm really excited to take you in this unit and show you exactly what it's all about. Welcome in to the luxurious 338 CK. This unit does have a polar package on it, so it is a 4-season unit. As you can see when you're coming in the unit, it's absolutely beautiful. Have a look around, folks. One of the big features is that slide box is 6 feet 10 inches high. Highest in the industry. Entertainment system. It's got a fireplace, 50-inch TV. It's got a residential couch that does go to bed. Dual recliners. Shades. Roller shades there. Ceiling fan. And of course, the amazing kitchen. So you have a bar style right here with 2 seats. Just a really good entertaining unit. Tons of counter space, tons of storage. There's absolutely no carpet in this unit down here. Have a look at the storage, the pantry, the 4-door propane electric fridge and freezer. Full-size oven, cooktop. Convection. It's incredible, folks. Just the decor just signifies just how modern Avalanche has made their product. You go on into the bathroom. You have a full-size bench seat shower, porcelain toilet. Again, it is an ensuite bath. You got a king-size bed. Again, up front, the cap's used for closet space. It is ready and prepped for a washer and dryer. 2 ACs on the unit. Unbelievable product. Guys.